In the heart of the 18th century, a spiritual revolution swept across the American colonies. This was no ordinary event. It was the Great Awakening, a religious awakening that would forever change the course of American history. The year was 1734. In the small town of Northampton, Massachusetts, a young minister named Jonathan Edwards preached a sermon that would set the stage for this remarkable movement. His sermon, "Sinners in the Hands of an Angry God," stirred the souls of his congregation, awakening a deep sense of fear and repentance. The Great Awakening was not a single event, but a series of revivals that spread like wildfire. From Massachusetts to Georgia, preachers like George Whitefield and Gilbert Tennent carried the message of sin and salvation to the masses. Their fiery sermons resonated with the common people, who felt marginalized by the established churches of the time. The awakening was characterized by intense emotional experiences, such as weeping, shouting, and convulsions. These outpourings of emotion were not without controversy, however. Critics argued that these displays were mere emotionalism, with little substance or theological depth. Despite the criticism, the Great Awakening had a profound impact on American society. It brought about a greater emphasis on personal salvation, a deepened sense of morality, and a newfound commitment to spreading the gospel. The awakening also had political implications. The revival's emphasis on the importance of individual conscience challenged the authority of the established churches and laid the groundwork for the rise of democratic principles in America. The Great Awakening was not without its flaws. It resulted in the formation of splinter groups, such as the Shakers and the Jehovah's Witnesses, who were often perceived as radical and unorthodox. Yet, the Great Awakening remains a significant event in American history. It showed the power of religion to inspire and transform, and it demonstrated the potential for religious movements to shape society in profound ways. The legacy of the Great Awakening can still be felt today. Its emphasis on personal faith, social reform, and democratic principles continues to influence American society, making it a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. In conclusion, the Great Awakening was a spiritual revolution that swept across the American colonies in the 18th century. Led by charismatic preachers like Jonathan Edwards, George Whitefield, and Gilbert Tennent, it brought about a renewed emphasis on personal salvation, morality, and social reform. Despite its controversies and flaws, the Great Awakening remains an important event in American history, demonstrating the power of religion to inspire and transform society.